In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete all message requests on Instagram at once. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then get into your DMs, and then in order to see all your message requests, just tap right here where it says requests. That will show you all your message requests, and from here you can remove them one by one. To do that, just swipe to the left and hit add delete on each message request. Also, you can hit on edit and then select the specific message requests that you want to remove, and after that hit add delete to delete them. Or you can just hit right here where it says delete all to remove all these message requests all at once. To do that, just hit add delete. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.